Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video from Gaming Basics. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to update your Evony game on your mobile device. If you want to update your Evony game or check if your Evony game needs an update on your mobile device, then here's how you can easily do it. First, launch Open Evony application and make sure to load your game. After you're inside the main homepage of Evony, tap on the three dots located at the bottom right. In the pop-up, tap on Settings. Scroll all the way down and tap on this Update button at the bottom. If you've already updated the latest version for your Evony game, it'll show you this information. If you need an update, you'll be able to see the Update button. Simply tap on it to find and download the latest version of Evony on your mobile device. That is how you can easily update Evony game on your mobile device. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.